Hey guys, this is Abdullah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase subscribers in 2021. So before going to the process, I want to ask you something. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel with bell notification icon. So without wasting any more time, let's get started today's video. First of all, you have to open a browser. So I'm going to open Chrome browser. After opening Chrome browser, search here You Like It and then click on it. After that, sign up your You Like It account. I have already signed up, so I'm going to log in my account. And then you can see at the top of the left side on point, just click on it. Finally, you guys can increase your subscribers using YouTube subscribers, YouTube views and YouTube like. For example, I'm going to show you the process. So you guys can see 28 points. If you guys subscribe to this channel, you will get 28 points. So I'm going to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and then back. So you guys can see I have got 34 points. To get subscribers, you have to add your channel. To add your channel, click on add or edit sites and then YouTube subscribers. I have already added my channel and then select point. So I have already added my point, 15 points. Those who subscribe to my channel, they will get 15 points. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.